Hey guys, welcome back to the show. Today I wanted to talk really quickly. I just got done with my workout and I was thinking, investing really isn't that hard if you just think about it like K.I.S.S. Keep investing simple, stupid. 5 simple ways to keep your investments easy. Coming up next, Firefighter Financial Toolbox. Hey guys, like I said, investing really isn't that hard. You just got to keep it simple. If you keep it simple, it's easy. You can follow these 5 simple steps and your investing will probably end up beating 80 to 90% of the people out there. First thing is, if you don't understand it, very first rule, if you don't understand it, don't invest in it. It's just like a game of basketball. If you don't know how to play until you learn, you try out for the team, right? Same thing. Understand the investments that you're in. So if you don't read, get on the internet. You can find out about stocks, bonds, money market accounts, all the different things you need to know. It's pretty simple. Rule number 2, invest early and often, or as I like to say, early and regularly. How do you do that? You either A, contribute each month to your company plan, be it 401k, 457, 403b, or you can get a Roth IRA and you can set it up so it automatically deposits to the Roth IRA monthly. Same thing. That way you don't miss the money. It comes out all the time. The nice thing about investing all the time is you get the market as it goes up and down. So you're consistently buying at the rate that it is at. Third thing, keep your costs low. Now, how do I do that? I like to invest in whatever my plan has in basically the lowest cost funds that serve what I need. And we'll talk about that in a second. Or if you're going to start your own Roth IRA, I recommend going to Vanguard or Charles Schwab or Fidelity. All have low cost index fund options that can save you hundreds and even thousands of dollars every year on your balance. Okay. Number four, use broad market index funds. You really only need 3 funds to contribute to have a real well-rounded portfolio. Either a total stock market index, if you don't have that in your plan, if you have an S&P 500 index, you're still getting about 80 to 85% of the US stock market, guys. It's simple. Costs are lower, saves you in the long run. You're going to get what the market gives, minus that little fee. Second thing, get some sort of intermediate bond fund, total bond market, whatever your company offers, use that. Remember, the bonds aren't to make money. The bonds are for stability when things go bad. Third thing, get some kind of international fund. Be it, best thing is a total international market fund if you can find it. If not, if you can find an index fund that has developed markets, which are the bigger countries, the bigger players on the international scene, set it and forget it. Now, the last thing I'm going to say is number 5, ignore your TV and rebalance annually. So why do I say ignore your TV? We talked about this a little bit last week in our video. The market wants you to spend money. They want you. They make money when you buy stocks or bonds or funds. They make money when you sell them. They make money anytime you're making moves. You don't need to do that. Once you have your funds, all you have to do is regularly rebalance, about once a year. So you decide your asset allocation, which we talked about last week, and let's say you want to be 70% stocks, 30% bonds. So of your 70% stocks, you're going to have your percentage of US stocks, your percentage of international stocks, and then your 30% in bonds in one be-all bond market, total market, intermediate term bond fund, something like that. And all you do is once a year, if your numbers get skewed because let's say the United States market's gone up a bunch, you rebalance so that you get it back to your numbers. Whatever your number, and that's a personal choice, guys. I'm not going to try to tell you what you need to do. Remember, the more bonds you have, the less up and down your account is going to go because there's stability. That doesn't mean it's not going to go up and down. It will. This is another reason I tell you ignore your TV, because when the stock market starts going down, the pundits on TV love to tell you, oh my gosh, the world is ending. Sell your stocks, sell your house, sell everything. Because they make money. You sell your stock funds, they buy them. That's all I got to say, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it's a quick one. It's outside. It's a pretty nice day, so I thought I'd do one really quickly. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Leave some comments in the bottom, you guys. I really want your comments. I want ideas on what you want me to talk. Smash the subscribe button. Come on back and see me next week. We do it every week. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a good day.